In this video, Fitness Feast brings complete details about creatine. Just a few years ago, creatine was something that was talked about like it was a secret weapon that was really only for bodybuilders, powerlifters, and other hardcore strength athletes. Today, the secret is definitely out. Athletes of all types take creatine as a way to get more results from their training and to help them recover between sessions. But note this, creatine isn't a shortcut to results. You must have to put your training and nutrition in order to get the desired results. So the first thing that came in beginner's mind is that, what is creatine monohydrate? Creatine is a combination of 3 different amino acids, glycine, arginine, and methionine. Creatine is nothing more than a combination of amino acids. This compound is involved in a vast number of processes in the body. It's a fundamental component in how your body creates its primary form of energy in muscle cells. Most of the creatine in your body is created in the liver and kidneys, but the majority of it is stored in muscle tissue. Creatine is not considered an essential nutrient because healthy human bodies are capable of creating it, and it can also be easily obtained through a diet that contains animal products. However, dietary creatine pretty much only comes from animal products. So vegan and vegetarian athletes don't get nearly as much creatine in their diet as those who eat dairy products, eggs, or meat. This is one reason why creatine is often recommended as an important supplement for vegetarians. People mostly think creatine is a steroid, but creatine is not a steroid, it is totally different and works in a different manner. Creatine monohydrate functions. Supplementation with creatine serves to increase creatine stores and phosphocreatine availability in the body. The more phosphocreatine you have, the more work you can accomplish before fatigue sets in. A secondary function of creatine is to draw water into muscle cells, making them more hydrated. When muscle cells are hydrated, a few things happen, the most notable being an increase in protein synthesis. As many lifters will attest, this action of drawing water into the cell can also make their muscles look bigger or fuller. Benefits of taking creatine monohydrate. There are hundreds of studies showing improvements in strength, power, muscle size, fatigue resistance, and overall body composition when people who regularly strength train take creatine. No, it won't simply make you stronger by magic, but it may be able to help you do a few more reps with a heavier weight. And that, over time, can definitely make you stronger. Creatine has been shown to help endurance athletes store more glycogen to use during training or competition. It has also been shown to reduce inflammation and cell damage following lengthy intense exercise. Best form of creatine. Creatine monohydrate is the most studied and most popular form of supplemental creatine. It's definitely not the only option on the market. Popular variations right now include creatine hydrochloride, which is creatine combined with hydrochloric acid, crealkaline, which is creatine buffered with bicarbonate or other alkaline ingredients. Is creatine monohydrate safe? There is no shortage of rumors about the bad stuff that can accompany creatine use. For example, you can hear people swear that it causes kidney or liver damage, cramping or dehydration, or even the dreaded muscle-destroying condition rhabdomyolysis. You may have heard that it's unsafe for teens or not good for women, or that it even leads people to snap or act out in rage. However, none of these fears appear to bear out in the existing research. Creatine does not cause damage to the liver, kidneys, or any other organ for that matter. Doug Kalman, Ph.D., the co-founder of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, says that creatine's bad reputation is just of lack of understanding. When should I take creatine? If you want creatine to work, you need to take it pretty much daily. Most of the research recommended taking it before and after a workout for maximum benefit. How to take creatine monohydrate. Take creatine monohydrate, 3 to 5 grams a day. Don't miss a day, and the first time around at least, don't bother with a loading protocol. Just add it to what you're already doing and see what happens.